Hello everyone, this is class 6 maths video of chapter number 18 and today we will do exercise 18b. Question number 1 and 2 already done. If you want to watch then you can subscribe the channel and we will start with question number 3. But before starting this, I would like to tell you about some more new terms, that is first is beta term. ये चीज़ें काम आएंगी ट्रू फॉल्स में. लाइक इफ़ यू विल गेट फेमिलियर विद दीज थिंग्स ऑल द न्यू टर्म्स यू कैन डू द एक्सरसाइज ईजिली बेटा. इट्स वेरी easy chapter even. So first one is term. A term is a constant or a variable or a product or a quotient of the constants and variables. Means term can be a constant number like 4, 5. The single 4 will be known as a term. 5 will also be known as a term. If there is x, y, these will be separately known as terms. If it is 4 plus x will also be known as term. 4 over y will be a term. So he said it can be a constant or a variable, product or a quotient. Like here he has given the examples. Next, like, unlike we have already done, and the next thing that I would like to share beta, yes, types of algebraic equations. We have three types of algebraic expressions. First one is monomial. Mono beta, mono means one. Mono means one. So the algebraic expression with only one term, जिसके अंदर सिर्फ एक टर्म होगी, with only one term is called monomial. -8, z, xy, 2x, 5y, like these are the monomials. And next is binomial. Bi means two. Bi means two. So any two unlike terms. Unlike, why is saying unlike? Because if we have two like terms like this, if I have two like terms, 2x plus 3x, then both are like, x is here and x is here, so we will call them like term now. So we can't say that these are the this expression is a binomial. Why? Because when I will add both the terms, both the numbers, it becomes 3x plus 2x becomes 5x, so it becomes a monomial. That's why he said like unlike terms. He has mentioned unlike terms. If algebraic expression of two unlike terms is called binomial. Like this, 5x plus 2y. X and y are the unlike. 7 is a constant term, x is a variable, so these are unlike. 2a plus b over 2, these are the unlike terms. So next is trinomial. Tri means 3. So the algebraic expression containing three unlike terms is called trinomial. Ax square plus bx plus c. Here don't see beta कि don't say कि that x is here and x is also here, so these are like terms. No. If there is power, then they are not like terms. X square. So x square, the like term for x square will be of similar x square term. Like if I will say that ax square is like to 2x square, right? So xy will be, if I have a 7xy and second term is 7xy square, both are unlike terms. It must be a literal xy, then they will be similar. Next is multinomial. Multi means more with 2 or more than 2. You can say polynomial. Poly means also multi. मल्टी मीन्स होता है लाइक ज़्यादा, मोर देन 2, 2 और मोर देन 2, राइट? जैसे 3x plus 2, these are two terms ना, so it's a multinomial. Like here 7 plus x minus xy plus y square, 4 terms are here, so it's a multinomial. Polynomial, expression with one or more unlike terms is called polynomial. -28x like this. I hope you can understand it now. And let's start with the questions. Before starting the questions, one more thing beta, that is coefficient. What is coefficient? Any factor or group of factors of a product is known as the coefficient. Let me explain. Here see beta, 5axy all are in product, multiply किए हुए हैं. So here the numeric value 5 is the coefficient of axy. Means numeric value is the coefficient. But next 5x 5 and x is the coefficient of a and y. xy is the coefficient of 5a. axy is the coefficient of 5. Means whatever is coming with the number. If a factor is a numerical quantity, it is called a numeral coefficient. When we will do beta, you will get that what I am saying. Here 3xy, 3 is the numeral coefficient of xy and x is the literal coefficient of 3y. Y is the again like literal coefficient of 3x, like in this way. Okay, let's start the question number 3. Here he said 16 is a constant, 16 is a constant and y is a variable. राइट मैंने बताया था इसके अंदर जब आपको आगे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करोगे ना, देन यू विल सी दैट वी विल पुट द वैल्यूज ऑफ एक्स वाई जी वट एवर द लिटरल वी पुट द वैल्यूज, दैट्स वाई वी कॉल them variables. What 16y is a variable? Is it true or false? Obviously it's true. How is it's true? Because a literal y comes with it, we can put its different values, so value will change. 5x has two terms, 5 and x. No, it's false, because 5x is a single term, because both are in multiply. If there is addition, then we can say that these are the separate terms. Like here, see, you can see that the expression 5 plus x has two terms, 5 and x. Yes, it's true, because both are the different terms. It's a single term. Next, the expression 2x square plus x is a trinomial. Tri means hota hai beta 3. Can you see 3 terms here? No na, only 2, so it's a false. Next, ax square plus bx plus c is a trinomial. Tri means 3, so there must be 3 terms. Yes, it contains 3 terms, so it's true. 8 multiply ab is a binomial. No, when 8 will be multiplied with ab, it becomes 8ab, so it's a single term. So it's not a binomial, it's a monomial. 8 plus ab is a binomial. Yes, it's true. X cube minus 5xy plus 6x plus 7 is a polynomial. Yeah, it contains more than one terms, so it's a polynomial. Next is multinomial. Yes, it contains more than terms, 2 terms, it's a multinomial. The coefficient of x is 5x. Sorry, the coefficient of x in 5x is 5x. No, the coefficient of x in 5x is 5 only, not 5x. What comes with x? That is its coefficient. It only 5 comes with it, so 5 is the coefficient. Next is coefficient of ab in minus ab is minus 1. Obviously, in minus ab beta, the coefficient of ab is what? Coefficient of ab is it's just like this, minus 1 ab, so coefficient is minus 1. It's in multiply, right? Next is coefficient of y in minus 3xy is minus 3. No, it's false, because we have the term minus 3xy. Coefficient of y we have to write now. So what comes with y? It's minus 3x, so its coefficient is minus 3x. Okay, the next question, question number 4 is state the number of terms in each of the following expression. We have to tell number of terms. So first one is, see beta, here we have to tell the number of terms. It contains 2 terms. Here these are not 3 terms beta, we can write it like 3x. 3 into x is 3x plus a by 2. So it contains 2 terms. See, it contains 2 terms. Here don't get confused with it contains 4 terms. Don't get confused with this thing. Write it like this. Wherever you see the sign of division, we can write it like this. And b is multiplying with x, so we will write it like this, plus c. So it contains 2 terms. Again, here is a sign of division, so change it. 3x over 2 plus y plus 4. So it contains 1, 2, 3. It contains 3 terms. Write it like this. xy over 2, it contains 1 term. So in this way beta, you can write, you can do other sums also. Kindly do the other sums by yourself. I have done first 6 questions. Next 3 you can do by yourself. And one thing more, question number 5 you can do by yourself beta. I have told you what are like terms and what are unlike terms. So true or false you can do, and next we will do tomorrow. Thank you.